हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। तो आज हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे क्लास 1 के मैथ ओलंपियाड के क्वेश्चंस की। एंड टुडेस टॉपिक इज नंबर्स। बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें एंड क्लिक द बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन। हाउ मेनी टेंस मेक 120? A 10, B 11, C 12, D 9. Answer C 12. 12 into 10 equals to 120. So 12 tens make 120. The difference between the place value of 6 and 9 in the number 6593 is A. 5108, B. 5901, C. 5910, D. 9510. Answer option C 5910. 6593 में 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू है 6000 एंड 6593 में 9 की प्लेस वैल्यू है 90. So the difference between both 6000 minus 90 equals to 5910. The sum of 3 digits smallest and 4 digits largest number is A. 19,999, B. 99,999, C. 10,099, D. 10,999. Answer is C. 10,099 because 3 digits smallest number है 100 and 4 digits largest number है 9,999. So sum of both number equals to 100 plus 9,999 equals to 10,099. How many tens need to be subtracted from 5,930 to get 230? Option A 570, B 900, C 5970, D 179. And the answer is option A 570. Subtracting 230 from 5930 is equal to 5700, which is equal to 570 tens. So the correct answer is 570. Identify the successor of the number n. A n minus 1, B n, C n plus 1, D n plus 2. Answer option C n plus 1. The successor of the number n is n plus 1. For example, if n is 5, then successor of 5 is 5 plus 1, that is 6. So the correct answer is option C n plus 1. The greatest 4-digit number using digits 3, 6, 8 and 0 without repetition is A 0368, B 3068, C 8630, D 6830. Answer is option C 8630. The greatest 4-digit number using digits 3, 6, 8 and 0 without repetition is 8630 because 8 is greater than 6 and 6 is greater than 3 and 3 is greater than 0. So for greatest number 8630 is the right option. How many of the given numbers have digit 2 at hundreds of places? A4, B6, C7, D8. Answer option A 4. Total numbers with 2 in hundreds place are 4. These numbers are 1206, 5208, 3227 and 6257. Each of these numbers has the digit 2 in the hundreds position. The sum of the greatest 2-digit number and smallest 1-digit number is A9, B 102, C 100, D 500. Answer option C 100. The greatest two-digit number is 99 and the smallest one-digit number is 1. So the sum of 99 plus 1 is equals to 100. The result is 100. What is the place value of 6 in the number given below? 3467. A 600, B 6000, C 60, D 6. And the answer is option C 60. The place value of 6 in the number 3467 is 60. The digit 6 is in the tens place. Its value is determined by its position in the number. The digit 3 is in the thousands place, 3000. The digit 4 is in the hundreds place. The digit 6 is in the tens place and the digit 7 is in the unit place. Thus the place value of 6 is 60. What is the 5 less than the greatest 4-digit number? A 9993, B 9994, C 9995, D 9996. And the answer is option B 9994. Greatest 4-digit number है 9999. 5 less than greatest 4-digit number, that is 9999 minus 5 is equals to 9994.
Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon for notification.